Our women achiever this time is Mumbaikar Deepti Sapaliga, a woman with natural flair for numbers. Deepti entered the corporate world in 2004, starting as a service executive. A year later, she switched over to a well-known financial firm. As a processing officer, now she was handling the inter-entity reconciliation process. She did it with poise and finesse. Her dedication and passion fast-tracked her career growth. In October 2006, Deepti joined a top banking institution as a processing executive. Here, she got an opportunity to prove her mettle. She was entrusted with the responsibility of setting up a process called reconciliation of OTC equity option trades from scratch at the London office. She drafted the entire standard operating procedure and documented the process meticulously. She successfully replicated London's success in France and in Japan too. With success came recognition. She was promoted as a senior processing executive with posting in Hong Kong. But unforeseen circumstances forced her to return home. But she refused to surrender, and in 2008, she joined Nippon India Asset Management Limited as an assistant manager. She proved her mettle again at her new workplace. In November 2014, Deepti was appointed as head of digital operations team, entrusted with the management of digital assets such as websites and apps. Her focus was on updating the assets in line with the changing technology and marketing trends. Unwavering commitment resulted in the successful launch of an industry-first innovation, instant access facility for investors in liquid schemes. Her major victories were launch of instant registration of one-time bank mandate on the digital platform and online nomination facility for investors, among many others. That's not all. Deepti also achieved the coveted BMGI Green Belt certification, a testimony to her expertise in process improvement methodologies. During her early days at NIMF India, Deepti identified a solution to reduce the printing costs by developing an online platform for corporate clients to access and download statements. This initiative meant an annual saving of 1.5 crore rupees as part of the Six Sigma project. Accolades, recognition, praises have not stopped till date. Deepti's indomitable spirit is encapsulated in her life motto: nobody can break you until you break yourself.
It has been an exciting journey with Nippon AMC. I'm grateful to the leadership team here who have believed in my skills and given me a plethora of opportunities to grow. Constant innovation and best-in-class delivery to our customers has always been the primary focus at Nippon AMC. I am proud to be part of this vibrant family. Thank you.
Nippon India Mutual Fund. Wealth sets you free.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.